Having more failures in thermocouples and marking out them as not good in function just because the value is not accurate in display panel? This video is to help you by teaching you the quick and smart method to test a thermocouple in few seconds. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. In our previous video, we have learned about a thermocouple and its working principle. Still not watched? Watch it now. Link is in description. We know what is meant by a Seebeck's effect. And the thermocouple is working based on this principle. So, when one end is heated and another end is kept constantly cold, the increase in temperature increases the potential difference as they are directly proportional. Let's use this concept to test our suspected thermocouples. Take a thermocouples and connect it to a multimeter. Set the multimeter to DC voltage mode. Make sure the multimeter that you have chosen is capable of measuring millivolts. Heat one end of a thermocouple. Watch multimeter for induced potential difference. Typically a good functional thermocouple should have more than 15 millivolts of induced potential difference. Hope you have learned how to check the thermocouple. Subscribe and like if you love the content. Comment for content improvement. Thanks for watching.